Here is a mockup image with beautiful text. But I need exact font as sharp for my client. Searching through my font panel is overwhelming because there are so many options. Thankfully, Adobe just added a new feature in Photoshop to solve this problem. By the way, my name is Tufan and welcome to my channel TK Graphics. Let's dive in and explore this amazing tool together. Let's get started. Here is the mockup image. First of all, we need to straighten this mockup image. So go to the left toolbar and then choose from here crop tool. Go to the top tool menu and you will find out here straighten. Click on the straighten and now we need to draw a line over there. Click here and draw a line over there. Now click on the fill and make sure that content aware fill is selected. Then click on the check mark. You can see here is some distraction, but distraction doesn't matter. Just we need the font, so we have to work with this. Go to the properties panel and you will find out here libraries. Then click on the plus icon and then extract from image, because we will generate a text name from image. So click on the extract from image. You will find out here a pop-up box. Okay, now click on the type. Now we have to play with this. The box, you have to adjust on the text that I want to generate. Okay, now click on the find similar fonts. Okay, you can see here is suggested font. The Photoshop font recommendation has 20 fonts. In there you can find out some similar fonts. Maybe this one is perfect for our font or beautiful text. This is okay. Now click on the save to CC libraries. Now close it. Now we need to check this font and here you can find out the font capture character style 1. Now we need to type here. Go to the left toolbar and choose from here T or type tool. Now we need to type here. Click here. Okay, we will type here logo mockup. Now select the text and click on the capture character style 1. And here you go. Here is the font. This is amazing. You can zoom in out. Click on the check mark and here is the font. Exact same font. And here is the name of the font. Also you can go to the properties panel and here you will find out the font name. I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.